this video, I want to show you a really cool button hidden on your Windows 10 desktop. This button is located in the very bottom far right. It's a little tiny smidge and it's very hard to see. This button is the Show Desktop or Peek at Desktop button. For this example, I'm just going to open up a couple windows here. Now we have a very messy desktop with many windows open. If we go down here to this button that's past this, it's right here. And we click it, we go to the desktop. It minimizes, it does not close, only minimize all the windows. We can go ahead and click it and it pulls up all our windows again. This button, we can even do a peek at desktop or show desktop. And that is a little hidden button right there in front of us all. This has been a video by nephew.tech.com, and I hope you've learned something.